Yeah. Oh. This one. I'm just gonna drop this in and I'll come. She's in the kitchen.
Hold up! Happy Valentine's Day.
Wow.
Series. First time niyang magka-flower.
First time nga ba? Itong ganitong flower, ano to? Ha?
Carnation.
Carnation? Favorite ko yan. Ang ganda nila.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
For today's content video is all about being creative person, which I got an idea after Valentine's Day. I received a flower on Valentine's Day and I want to preserve it. I think an idea on how the flower long lasts. I have some materials to use, which is the clear jar and a LED light. At the first time, I have a hard time to figure out on how to design it. It takes 3 times to think wisely. And finally, I have decided I will just take off all the flowers and put it in one jar. I just mixed all flowers and I put some lid inside and I make it a lamp decor because I can't sleep during the night. It's so dark. And by the way guys, my favorite flower is carnation flower and sunflower. It's so beautiful and it long lasts. I also received some gift like things, a bag, perfume, lotion, and I also gave my mom a flower, Valentine's Day for me, it's not all about just a lover. For me, the Valentine's Day, it's all about love. Even you hate somebody, love them. Because, sometimes they have reason why they become haters. Maybe they're out of love and they don't know how to appreciate it. So let's just share the love you have and keep going. Keep watching my video guys until the end. And thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so that you will update for more videos upcoming. And thank you so much for all your support and joining my live stream. Once again, I am Jonna, the karaoke Filipina girl. As you can see, I just cut it to remove the petals and put in a jar. And I get a bucket, water bucket, because I cannot mix it in a jar. So I mix it in a bucket, then put everything all. If you want to preserve your flowers, guys, just don't make it wet. Just dry it and then leave it there, and it will be like dry on its own. That's how I observe it long last, but the color will be fade, but that's still fine, as long as the valuable memories or moment is not fade yet. Thank you so much for all your love and support, guys. Until next time. This is how it looks like during the day. It's very simple, but for me, it's valuable, especially coming from your special one. And this is how it looks like during the night. I used it as a lamp decor, and it's very useful, guys. See?